This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on an emulator easily. First, ensure your computer meets the basic requirements for a smooth gaming experience. A stable internet connection is also crucial for seamless online play. We will cover the essential steps to get you set up and ready to drop into the action without delay. Now, let's select an emulator that suits your needs. GameLoop is officially supported by Tencent, offering a tailored experience, while BlueStacks provides broad compatibility. Visit the official website of your preferred emulator and download the latest version. Double-click the installer file and proceed through the steps, ensuring you accept the terms and conditions. This foundational step gets your virtual gaming environment ready for action. Once your emulator is running, open it up and find the integrated Google Play Store or a similar app market within the emulator itself. Search for PUBG Mobile, then click Install and wait for the download to complete, which might take several minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch the game and log in using your preferred method, whether it is Facebook, Google, or a guest account. Finally, fine-tune your gaming experience for maximum enjoyment and competitive edge. Access the emulator's key mapping tool to assign keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game controls like shooting, moving, and looting. Experiment with different graphics settings within PUBG Mobile. For instance, choosing smooth and extreme frame rates can provide a significant advantage. A quick check of your audio levels will also ensure you hear every critical sound effect clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.